I'm joined here today by the Triton 300, the youngest member of the Triton family, having been announced last year at IFA 2019. Now, if you're looking for a gaming device that can deliver the power you need without breaking the bank, then the Triton 300 may just be for you. It's powered by a 9th gen Intel Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics card. But I think we should take a closer look. Quite literally. Okay, so looking at the back panel here, we have 11 screws you need to take out before you can get this thing open. I've gone ahead and I took them out off camera just because, well, A, I have a tendency to lose them, and B, there's no B, I just have a tendency to lose them. Okay, so once you've done that, I've just used a 1/4 inch Phillips head screwdriver for that. You're gonna wanna open the back panel kind of in these corners here and then prop it open. This one, again, I've already pre-opened it because it's not very elegant when I do it. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so here we have our battery. This is a 58.75 watt hour one, and you can open it up by unscrewing this here and then this here and just opening up there. Here you have your Wi-Fi card. This is Killer 1650X, and you have your CPU and your GPU. These are being cooled by 3 heat pipes. One goes specifically to the GPU by 2 fans over here. Now this one here actually uses 4th gen Aeroblade 3D technology. As you can see here, the fans are all metal, they are ultra thin, and this is basically meant to maximize power, you maximize your cooling and minimize the noise coming from it. So in terms of memory and storage, what do we have? We have 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM here, and we have a second slot available here, making it upgradable to a total of 32 gigabytes. In terms of storage, we have a 2.5 inch hard drive slot here, and we have 2 M.2 slots here above it. This one currently has 512 gigabytes of SSD, and this one is currently empty, so that makes it upgradable to a total of 1 terabyte. If you want to upgrade it, it's super easy. All you have to do is unscrew this and then just slot it in, and then boom, you should be good to go. Okay, well that's all from me and the Triton 300. I just wanted to film a really quick, to the point video about what's inside. So let me know what you think of the Triton 300 and what kind of videos you want to see with this. To be honest, I kind of want to try a gameplay on it, and probably a comparison video with the Triton 500 because they do look pretty similar from first glance. But if you want to see more of the Triton 300, I definitely recommend checking out some of our previous videos. I think we've gone over it at IEM, IFA, but let me know if you want a more in-depth one. Oh, it just died on me. Okay, well I think that's the end of the video. Let me know what you think below, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.